My media question is, how did you use new media technologies in the construction, research, planning, and evaluation stages? Well, in order for me to answer this question, I chose to use voice Camtasia, which is a program that records everything that is on the screen and shows your movement as well while you commented on it. So first of all, I use social media. I use Facebook in order to upload my questions, my questionnaire for my newspaper. And Facebook is very easy to use because you can choose the people that answer your question. And here's the person that is answering my question. And here are the other people that have been answering my question. So it's very simple to use because it's easy to contact with the people, and they could easily answer it as well. I also use search engines like Google in order to find out the relevant theories and the meaning of each theory. So here's me typing the theory, and Google just gives you all the links and that is relevant for the theory and how it helps your work and the actual meaning behind the theory as well. I used SlideShare. SlideShare enables you to upload a presentation from PowerPoint, and then you can put it onto SlideShare, and so it's just easy for the public to see. For my evaluation stage, I used a website called VoiceThread. It enables you to upload a picture, and then you can have a comment on it, or you can either record yourself speaking about the actual picture. Here's me recording myself. That was an example of me using VoiceThread. But most importantly, I used Blogger in order to upload all my work that I've done throughout the 2 years of my media coursework. I just use Blogger because it's easy to use. The layout's very simple, and also when you can either upload a HTML, or you can insert a image, you can insert a video, or you can just add a link as well. So it's very simple to use. I use Microsoft Word in order to annotate the feedback that I received from my questionnaire, and I captured all the audience responses and the questionnaire by using a screenshot. I annotated the screenshot, but most importantly, I summarize each question by using either a bar chart, pie chart, or column to show which one is my popular answer, and whichever the popular answer was, I had to use it on my production stage for my newspaper. I used Excel in order to arrange the data of my pie charts and bar charts, and here is me typing the numbers that I received for an answer for each question, and this is very simple to use because you change it and then it will change in your Microsoft as well. I also use iPhoto in order to upload all my images I've taken from my Nikon camera that I used in my newspaper and in my billboard. Here are some of the images that I've taken, and this is the image I actually used on my front cover page. Most importantly, I used Photoshop. I used Photoshop for my production stage of my front cover page, inside page, and my billboard. And Photoshop is very simple to use. It's very easy to use. And what I had to develop my skills is the actual layout of the photo of the words, because it's a different layout on a newspaper compared to a magazine that I did last year, and I had to find out how to change the layout. So you click on the characters here, and then it'll just give you options of changing the width of each character, of each line, and how far you want it from each other. And I'll show an example of me creating one of my adverts on my front cover page. Here's the advert for the corner shop bar, and you just, in order to create the logo, you just do the eclipse tool. You make sure you fill it in white, and in order to write over it, you create a text box, and you need to make sure you change the color of the font first, and then you just type what you want to write on the picture. So it's very easy and very simple to use. So these are the type of technology that I use for my production stage, and thank you for listening.